What's up? What's up? I'm fine, and you? I'm fine, and you? How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Emily. My name is Emily. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Alex. My best friend is Alex. What is your birthday? What is your birthday? My birthday is on July 3rd. My birthday is on July 3rd. Are you married? Are you married? Yes, I am married. Yes, I am married. Are you single? Are you single? Yes, I am single. Yes, I am single. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music. What is your favorite music? What is your favorite music? I enjoy listening to pop music. I enjoy listening to pop music. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. What do you do? What do you do? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in New York City. I live in New York City. What time is it? What time is it? It's 10 o'clock in the morning. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? My teacher is Mr. Mark. My teacher is Mr. Mark. Do you like watching TV? Do you like watching TV? Yes, I watch TV every day. Yes, I watch TV every day. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, I travel twice a year. Yes, I travel twice a year. Where is your husband? Where is your husband? He went to work. He went to work. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20. I am 20. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Philippines. I am from Philippines. When did you arrive to the airport? When did you arrive to the airport? I arrived yesterday night. I arrived yesterday night. How long will you stay? How long will you stay? I will stay for 2 days. I will stay for 2 days. Do you need help? Do you need help? Yes, please. Yes, please. Have you noticed? Have you noticed? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Yes, I have eaten. Yes, I have eaten. What did you eat? What did you eat? I have eaten rice. I have eaten rice. Do you love me? Do you love me? Yes, I love you. Yes, I love you. Do you have siblings? Do you have siblings? Yes, I have one senior brother. Yes, I have one senior brother. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? I have 3 children. I have 3 children. What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast? I took egg sandwich with tea. I took egg sandwich with tea. What made you happy? What made you happy? My birthday. My birthday. What is your next holiday? What is your next holiday? My next holiday is on Friday the 14th. My next holiday is on Friday the 14th. Do you often visit your hometown? Do you often visit your hometown? Yes, I usually visit my hometown twice a year. Yes, I usually visit my hometown twice a year. When will you visit your hometown again? When will you visit your hometown again? I will visit my hometown on June 15th. I will visit my hometown on June 15th. Where is your mobile phone? Where is your mobile phone? My mobile phone is on the sofa. My mobile phone is on the sofa. Where do you usually go on weekends? Where do you usually go on weekends? I usually go to the beach on weekends. I usually go to the beach on weekends. Where did you buy your shoes? Where did you buy your shoes? I bought them at ShopRite Mall. I bought them at ShopRite Mall. What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Forrest Gump. My favorite movie is Forrest Gump. Which country do you want to visit? Which country do you want to visit? I want to visit China. I want to visit China. Where are you planning to go on vacation? Where are you planning to go on vacation? I am planning to go to Texas, USA. I am planning to go to Texas, USA. Why are you so excited today? Why are you so excited today? I am excited today because I've got a new job. I am excited today because I've got a new job. How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? I speak 3 languages. I speak 3 languages. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. Who is your role model? Who is your role model? My role model is Oprah Winfrey. My role model is Oprah Winfrey. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Rihanna. My best friend is Rihanna. Where is your jacket? Where is your jacket? My jacket is in the room. My jacket is in the room. Whose jacket is this? Whose jacket is this? That jacket is for Mike. That jacket is for Mike. Whom did you send the message to? Whom did you send the message to? I sent the message to John. I sent the message to John. How was your day? How was your day? My day was fine. My day was fine.